What if the best way to begin the new year is not with noise, luck, or rituals, but by looking into the quiet heart of a mother who carries God Himself? Today, we celebrate Mary, the Mother of God, and the Church invites us to start the year with her gentle presence. In the Gospel, the shepherds ran in joy to see the newborn Jesus. But Mary does something different. She keeps all these things in her heart and reflects on them. She shows us that peace does not come from knowing every answer. Peace comes from trusting the God who holds our future. The first reading promises that the Lord lets His face shine upon us. Mary believed that promise even in uncertainty, and she teaches us to do the same. So, as we begin this new year, let us not chase luck. Let us open our hearts to God as Mary did. May this year be filled with quiet strength, deeper trust, and the peace only God can give. Amen.